Sabnam Firdausi. There is a lot of strategy and a lot of program are taken by government of India. Here I am going to discuss about the Anemia Mukt Bharat. So Anemia Mukt Bharat. Here I am trying to draw the logo. This is the logo of Anemia Mukt Bharat. It is very important in MCQ purpose. Next is the other name or other term is of Anemia Mukt Bharat is INIPI, that is Intensified National Iron Plus Initiative. So it is also asked in MCQ sometime, that is the what is Intensified National Iron Plus Initiative, that is Anemia Mukt Bharat. Okay. Next is objective. What are the objective of Anemia Mukt Bharat? So the objective is to reduce the prevalence of anemia in 3% in every year. So the objective is to reduce the prevalence of anemia 3% in every year. So there is a target year. So here the target year is 2018 to 2022. Here the target year of Anemia Mukt Bharat. Okay. Next is the next is beneficiaries. So what are the beneficiaries? I am talk to you later. Next is strategy. Strategy is 6 into 6 into 6 strategy. Here it is very important in MCQ purpose also. That is anemia. What is the strategy of Anemia Mukt Bharat? That is 6 into 6 into 6 strategy. Here I am trying to draw a triangle. Here I am trying to draw a triangle. Here the 6 beneficiaries, 6 institutional mechanism and 6 intervention. So what are the 6 beneficiaries? The 6 beneficiaries are the age group. Under these beneficiaries, the age group of less than 5 years. The next is 5 to 9 years, both boys and girls. The third is 10 to 19 years, adolescents, boys, both boys and girls. Then the next is reproductive age group, that is 15 to 49 years of age group, and next is pregnant woman and lactating woman. So these are the 6 beneficiaries of this Anemia Mukt Bharat. Okay. Next, the Anemia Mukt Bharat has the 6 intervention. So it is very important also. So the 6 intervention I am discussing here. So the 6 intervention here the Anemia Mukt Bharat. The first intervention is prophylactic dose of IFS supplementation. That is, I am here trying to show you the prophylactic dose, the percentage of iron and folic acid and the frequency. So first age group less than 5 years. The tablet consists of 20 mg elemental iron and 100 mg folic acid, and it is given bi-weekly. It is mainly a 50 ml syrup bottle which is given. And next is for age group of 5 to 9 years, and they have the elemental iron. The tablet consists of 45 mg iron, elemental iron, and 400 mg microgram is folic acid, that is given in weekly, and it is mainly in red in color. Next is age group 10 to 19 years, that is both adolescents boy and adolescents girls. The elemental iron is 60 mg and the folic acid is 500 microgram, and this is given weekly. The main important part is the color of the tablet is blue, and it is called the iron ki neeli goli, that have been called, and it is this is the iron ki neeli goli for prevent the anemia. And next is a reproductive age group 15 to 49 years. The tablet consists of 60 mg elemental iron, and the folic acid is 500 microgram, and it is given weekly. It is basically red in color. Next is pregnant woman. The elemental iron is 60 mg. Here the important part is previously it was the 100 mg, but now in the new strategy it have been 60 mg elemental iron, and the folic acid is 500 microgram, and it is given daily, and it is red in color. Next is lactating woman. Then in the case of lactating woman, the iron tablet consists of 60 mg iron and for 500 mg iron folic acid, and it is also given daily, and it is red in color. Okay. So this is the first intervention. The second intervention is deworming. Deworming is basically to given the tablet, that is mainly albendazole tablet, and it is given in the age group. In all this age group, first age group, that is less than 5 years, it was given half dose of this albendazole, that is 20 ml albendazole given, and in the rest of this, that is 5 to 9 years adolescents, boys and girls, reproductive age group, pregnant women and lactating women, this all age group it was given 400 mg albendazole tablet, and it is given biannually to 6 months apart. Okay, so the here the important part is when we recommended that pregnant woman to given the deworming tablet, that is in the second trimester we have to start the deworming process. Okay, not first trimester, it was second trimester. Next is behavioral changes, that is given the health education program or declamping, delayed clamping process, that is done in the community area to prevent the anemia. Next is testing facilities, that is the hemoglobin estimation digital testing facilities are provided in the community area to prevent the anemia. Next is provision of iron folic acid fortified food. In the case of, it is mandatory to provision of iron folic acid fortified food in the public health program. Okay, next is addressing non-nutritional cause. Non-nutritional cause may be may happen thalassemia or malaria. It should be addressed, and and this is one of the intervention of the Anemia Mukt Bharat program. Okay, next is six institutional mechanism. So the six institutional mechanism, that is the collaboration with the help of the Ministry of India. Six institutional mechanism helping to eradicate the anemia. The six institutional mechanism are inter-ministerial coordination, National Anemia Mukt Bharat, National Center of Excellence and Advanced Research on Anemia Control. Next is convergence with the ministries, strengthening the supply of chain and logistic. And the last one is Anemia Mukt Bharat dashboard and digital portal, one-stop shop for anemia. Okay, so this all about the Anemia Mukt Bharat. So you have any queries, to please drop in the comment box. I will try to give you answer. Okay, thank you.